Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essential gear and the first lines ready. Position the mic 6-12 inches away and use a pop filter, because breath and plosives ruin clarity. Once done, read a 30-60 second script segment allowed to find natural pauses. Mark them with slashes so you can breathe without cutting words. Make sure to mute phones and close windows to keep noise under control. Record a 10-second reference tone for sync and level checks before you move to cooking shots. You now focus on technique and timing while cooking. Speak conversationally and explain why you stir, fold, or sear. This helps viewers learn and keeps engagement high. Once you start an action, count or state durations. Say sear for 90 seconds so edits line up with visuals. Make multiple takes. A clear instructional pass, a more energetic pass for highlights, and a quiet close-up pass for ASMR moments. Make sure to leave 1-2 seconds of room tone at each clip for clean edits. You complete the voiceover by syncing and polishing audio for the final cut. Narrate edit cues like cut or close-up while recording so editors can trim precisely, and leave 1-2 seconds of room tone around each sentence for crossfades. During editing, aim for -12 dB peaks and consistent perceived loudness. Apply gentle compression and subtractive EQ to remove muddiness. If you hear persistent noise or clicks, use noise reduction or spectral repair. If impossible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.